Are you wondering if Judge Judy is available on YouTube TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether you can stream this iconic courtroom show. If you're a fan of Judge Judy, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently include Judge Judy as part of its lineup. While the show airs on CBS or in syndication on local channels, YouTube TV doesn't offer access to all local affiliates or syndicated programming, which may limit your ability to watch it live. However, some episodes of Judge Judy might be available through other platforms like Tubi, Pluto TV, or the show's official website, depending on licensing agreements. Additionally, newer episodes featuring Judy Sheindlin now air on Amazon Freevee under the title Judy Justice. If this video helped you understand where to find Judge Judy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.